Imagine this, you're packing up the car for a weekend getaway. The kids are excited, the dog is wagging its tail, and you're looking forward to hitting the open road. But this isn't just any car, this is the Honda Pilot, a vehicle that redefines what a family SUV can be. If SUVs had a personality, the Pilot would be the reliable, adventurous friend, the one that's always ready for the next road trip, soccer practice, or grocery run. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you embark on adventures. The Honda Pilot isn't just an SUV, it's a revolution. Since its debut, it has become one of the most popular family SUVs on the market, thanks to its perfect blend of space, comfort, and reliability. It's the vehicle of choice for families, adventurers, and anyone who needs a dependable ride for life's everyday journeys. But what makes the Pilot so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just an SUV, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about family SUVs in general. Myth number 1. Big SUVs are gas guzzlers with no regard for efficiency. Wrong. The Pilot is proof that you can have space and sustainability. With its 3.5-liter V6 engine and 9-speed automatic transmission, it delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency, making it perfect for both city driving and long road trips. Myth number 2. SUVs are boring and lack personality. Think again. The Pilot combines practicality with style, offering a sleek design, advanced technology, and a comfortable interior that's anything but boring. And myth number 3. SUVs are difficult to maneuver. Not the Pilot. With its responsive handling and available all-wheel drive, it's as easy to drive as a sedan, even in challenging conditions. It's not just an SUV, it's a smart, stylish choice for modern families. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Pilot even more. Did you know that the Pilot offers seating for up to 8 passengers across 3 rows, making it one of the most spacious SUVs in its class? That means there's room for the whole family, plus friends or extra gear. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Pilot's Magic Slide second-row seats allow you to easily adjust the seating configuration, making it simple to access the third row or create more cargo space. It's not just an SUV, it's a versatile, family-friendly machine. But the Pilot isn't just about space, it's also about comfort and convenience. The interior is designed with families in mind, featuring premium materials, easy-to-clean surfaces, and plenty of storage options. From the Tri-Zone automatic climate control to the available rear entertainment system, every detail is designed to make life on the road more enjoyable. And with 83.9 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded, the Pilot is ready for anything, whether you're hauling sports gear, camping equipment, or groceries. It's not just an SUV, it's a practical, everyday companion. Think about the last time you needed a vehicle that could do it all. The Pilot is here to answer that call. With its powerful engine, smooth ride, and advanced safety features, it's the perfect vehicle for family road trips, daily commutes, or weekend adventures. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring winding country roads, the Pilot delivers a ride that's as comfortable as it is confident. It's not just an SUV, it's a solution to the challenges of modern life. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Pilot isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as reliable as it is enjoyable. The Pilot is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, providing plenty of power for highway merging, towing, or passing slower traffic. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth, responsive shifts, while the available all-wheel drive system provides added traction and stability in all weather conditions. It's not just an SUV, it's a dependable, capable machine. But what really sets the Pilot apart is its commitment to safety. Honda has always been a leader in automotive safety, and the Pilot is no exception. It's packed with advanced safety features, including the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. These features work together to help prevent accidents and keep you and your family safe on the road. It's not just an SUV, it's a guardian for your most precious cargo. So, what does the Honda Pilot mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have space and efficiency, comfort and performance, safety and style. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as adventurous and fulfilling as you are. It's an SUV that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're heading out on a family vacation, running errands around town, or exploring new horizons, the Pilot is a vehicle that makes every moment unforgettable. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of innovation, and the beauty of thoughtful design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most iconic vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Honda Pilot isn't just an SUV, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: space, comfort, and reliability. It's an SUV that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it elevates the journey itself. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in family-friendly performance? Because the Pilot isn't just an SUV, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.